Hello everyone, today I talk about how to build widget in AVEVA InTouch HMI 2025. First, we should know what means widget. Widgets are small web components that can extend HMI functionality of a web page. It uses HTML5 standard. By default, widget is in the graphic toolbox. It has 4 carousel, web browser, QR code scanner, map app. Okay, now let's start how to build widget. Now we can create new graphic. How to create? It's dashboard, okay? Dashboard. Okay. Now is now the industrial graphic library, situational awareness library. Okay, it's done. We double click dashboard. The embedding industrial graphic. Go to widget. Here, look, it's a carousel. It's a map app. It's a QR code scanner. It's the web browser. Here have data graph and teamwork. Okay, we choose carousel. Okay. Okay, we call this one large. Now we should choose some stuff. First one, we choose what's one? Clock. Choose this one. Okay. We just keep here. Finally, we just remove here because his name difficult. Write down. Okay, this one, second one. The count, digital meter, no, this one, analog meter, okay? This one, analog, with, oh, doesn't matter here. Okay, last one, we just choose 3. It's file situation here. Is other one. No, meter, no. Oh, here has industrial. We still in industrial graphic editor. We choose frame. Okay, that's it. We just use this name. We don't. Okay, choose here. Clock, match, keep, copy this one. Double click widget. Go down. Go down, you can find the widget property. In here, widget property. You can find here graphic name. Okay, copy this one. Is the clock nature. Delete one is common. Okay, we delete this one. We don't use. Then we choose this one. We copy. Here, continue. Same thing. It's a graphic name. We choose this one is the analog meter type. Okay. Delay. We don't use this one. Okay. Here, frame. Double click widget. Go to the similar graphic name, paste, delete. That's regular. Okay. Okay, delete. No delay. Okay. Save. Then close. Then we go to main interface window. We dashboard. We move to here. Okay. Now we save. Now we can try. Wrong time. Look here. Yeah, look. Here's coming. It's what is meter. This one is the watch. Here, flame. Okay, that's it. This widget. Okay, this is the castle. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much.